Did the title of this video catch you off? Well, while I try out a little bit of new markers, I will chat about it. Hey, welcome back. It's been a while. This is Cetriya, Cetriya. And if you're new to my channel, I upload wheneverly, casually, about art and chats and tutorials all mixed in. So the randomly weird title of the video, it's called Ugly Art. And you're probably thinking maybe my art's not ugly, or maybe you really did think it's like the worst thing you've ever seen. But what was the thought behind it? Well, it's been a while since I've just sat and drawn for me, and though inspiration comes to me, I do struggle quite a bit. Even though I was sitting here, it looks like I'm just freely sketching through this artwork. It's so casual, I'm so used to it, but in all honesty, there were so many mental, like, little hoops and potholes and things that I had to be careful of, and it gets to a point where I'm just gonna lay it down on the paper and let it be. I've had comments before, or one that really stuck out to me was the fact that I'm not afraid to draw down different kind of poses and whatnot, regardless of my capability. And really, it's kind of like what came before, the chicken or the egg. Point is, eventually you're going to have to just sit there and keep on drawing to get past this phase, this ugly art phase, even if you may not think your art is the best. But just like writing in a diary or doing a draft, you gotta put it down. Now you may be thinking, well, you don't have to share it, but honestly, I enjoy sharing it and posting it somewhere. I don't get that many views to begin with, but I just, let me share it, and hopefully even find like motivation that even if you're not perfect, just go at it and enjoy the process and the journey of creating art. So with that, I will say that it does hurt that I don't, well, hurt may be strong. Well, point is, I wish I had more time to just sit and do the art that I want to do. I wish I had more energy, because even if I had some time, sometimes I'm pretty tired and coming back from work or doing other errands, instead of drawing, maybe I opt for doing like laundry and whatnot. But it really does get kind of more and more intimidating the longer you're away from the drawing board. So all in all, even if you feel like your art may look ugly to you, it's better to just lay it down on the paper and have it as something to look back on, or at least to be able to actually see how much you've progressed or how much you've kind of like fell off the wagon. A little bit like exercise or stretching, you do need breaks in between, but if you stay away from it for too long, it's kind of like you have to start a little bit over. But all in all, I'm going to definitely post this new video of the markers that I just had. It was intended for me to post just the review of the markers, but as I said, as I was drawing, I just had such a mental block that I could only think of one thing at a time, and I was just enjoy working through markers and seeing how much I enjoy using markers. I definitely do see a limitation with markers sometimes, and the more I think about it, the more I figure that if you're going to keep on buying more and more new markers as they dry out, I know some of them are refillable, but you kind of have to buy like refilling containers or whatnot. But I have to say that just a quick preview, Oohoo, right? The brand, yeah, Oohoo markers, as you can see here. I don't know if they've changed their formula or whatnot, but I just bought their pastel markers and they've definitely leveled up quite a bit. And of course the price has gone up too, but everything's price have gone up, right? And I definitely will highly recommend as like the very good beginner, intermediate, and even advanced pack to start with. So look forward to that new video. But all in all, post down in the comments below, or share or stitch or whatever, letting me know just how do you get over that hump, that days when you just feel like it's just not flowing right, and you feel like the stuff that you made is ugly. And not to be depressing, but just kind of like It's not my best, but I'm going to do it anyway. So hopefully you guys enjoy a beautiful bright summer and this summery inspired picture. I actually was at the beach. No, this is not what I look like, but I was actually at the beach, and it's been doing me a good favor to be in the water a little bit more often. But yeah, just go out there and sketch, go and draw, grow and paint, and eventually you'll get better. Once you add in more and more of those ugly pages, you'll start to make some beautiful pages. So anyways, guys, this has been Satria. Hopefully you enjoy my art. Make sure you give a follow or subscribe, and feel free to check out the community tabs or any other places that I post, whether it's Instagram or whatnot. Until then, see you in the next video.